I saw my Oh no. Who knows how it works? On Dilworth. Inside, up. Inside, around, up. Up. Inside.
Clearing.
What's our force? Up. I can't tell what our force is. It's going everywhere. Up. Our force is away. Okay. Strike up.
Next cut right here.
Inside. Around, up. Around.
Vertical.
Up.
Oh shit. Go tie!
Keep trying to tackle you, JP. Take him out. Nope. Oh!
It's only 1, 2, 3, 4.
Inside, around, up. Inside, up. 2. Inside, up.
Too much fun. I'm sorry, Todd.
Good positioning, Seymour.
Check! Good D, man. Clear, Drew. Out, Drew. Run away.
Inside.
All right, guys. I'm ready to go.
You guys going deep. Use it.
I saw snake. Hey. Get him, Mark.
Move the disc.
Ty, you're high. Oh, yeah, good work, Ty. Get it. Travel. Yeah, Enigma!
Alright. Maybe as I get more warmed up. Right now it's 8:30. Let's go, Enigma!
He's good.
Yo, big!
The big up!
Yeah, JP.
Walk as soon as he started.
Go with him, JP! Go, JP. You're good, JP. Get in, JP.
Elliot out. Two out.
Up!
Lance, look. White, get ready!
Go!
Doug, under. Stay under. Hard mark! Hey! Hold! You're good. Back, Elliot. 2. Easy. Come on.
Yeah, see?
Elliot on it. Up! Elliot on it! Up! He's turning.
Oh! No big. JP!
Too long, Elliot. Too near.
No! Holy crap!
Uncontested foul.
Go, Elliot. Elliot, you're back on 3. Check. 3. I got 3. Home. Drew!
Yeah, go coach too much.
Up!
Go, Dilworth.
Up!
Would have warrant for calling dangerous play.
I said that after. I'm
On!
Yeah, I
Okay, that one. What'd you do to him?
Huh?
What'd you do to him?
You done it.
Todd! Will, now! Pass gone! Set it up, Chris! Set it up! Yeah, go in.
Rush it, dude.
Todd, you got one behind.
Right, Mark. You're okay. Come on, Myers, you gotta fill those holes. Come to, field. Yeah, Will. Yeah, green. Oh,
Oh!
Points.
Should have caught it.
It's only one.
Inside.
Strike.
Up. Go in. You got it. Go
In. Around.
There it is. 3, 4. Up.
In. Bell.
Just to 2.
JP.
Hey man, going. Just tight. Go. Crumble.
Seamer.
Pick up. All you, Ty. There we go, guys.
Shot one.
He fudged through that, and I was like, there's a green guy right in front of Seamer, so I couldn't see him.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, he's wide open.
He's got 20 yards on it.
Let's go,
He was watching rap too.
Where are you, wind? Stop! Inside! Around.
Inside.
Around. Up! Yes, Todd! Out! 3, 4. Up!
Yeah!
Away. Hey, don't go too deep, guys. It's too deep. What? Yeah, deep. Get down, White. Zone. I need a better man. Up! Nice D, JP. I got it. ISO, JP. I got disc.
Great D, JP.
2.
Go.
Wait.
Out.
Up.
Way to go.
Big party. Big party.
Anderson.
Oh, listen, Anderson.
Explosive on offense. Hell, we're not even doing O-lines and D-lines.
Russell's not here. Fiskey's not here.
All right, I'll show you.
No big. Yeah, Joe. Recover. Get it up, boys. Come on, get it back. Get low, Joe. Get your hands up, bud. Hand block, Joe. Nice. Shut him down, Joe. Shut him down. Get him touched up. Back out. Yeah, Joe, up.
Called. Injury called. And a foul. Disc is coming in on 0. So camera started late. Allen pulled. They just turned it over. I think you saw that.
Run it. Yeah, JC, don't get broken, bud. Don't get broken. Up. Shut him down, Will. Up. Coming up.
There you go, Tim.
Time up! Yeah, boys! Way to get it back!
Oh! You're out. Where aren't you going?
Come back in.
Okay.
Nice, nice.
2, 3. Oh, broken.
Go! Oh, come on, guys.
Come on,
Get right back.
Let's go, White. We're wide. 1-1.
Patience.
All right, this in. Cut.
Get some cuts.
Nice, Dylan.
Continuation.
Shut him down.
Up.
Yes, Dan!
Get there. Run hard.
Z!
Hey, Jason, deep. JC's back up.
Straight in, now.
Nice. Come on, boss. He's looking, Jason.
Keep going.
All right, you're good now. Right. Set it back up.
My bad, guys.
Run, Bossel. It's good. The left side. Crumble.
Well, he leaves for Stanford at the end of the
there.
Thank God. He might come back just for you.
Yeah!
I want to get late.
Mark.
Make decisions.
Hang on. What's the force?
2!
Coach.
Yes.
Come on, guys. 9. Up.
Travel called! Someone will be in your way.
Mark Joe, handle.
2 up. No big Mark.
Mark! Ah! No!
Back out.
Good job, I was like, white throat yell, screaming up.
Smart throw.
Go around, Atkins.
Up. Outbound. Heck.
I love when you dive from the county and you're just laying down there.
Work. Let's go.
Bear out!
Nice. Do work. Yes.
Injury.
Around.
Up.
Come on, Marcus. Get it back. Get it. 2. You should never touch the base. You should never touch it before. Go, Joe. Get on. Tie your hot.
Go, JP. Go, JP.
Right
Go
there.
up. Big.
Mark. Jason. Go,
Right.
big son, go. Nice, Mark. Good job, Jason. Shut it down, buddy.
Right. Sorry, Jason.
That works, right?
2. Up.
Sorry.
Nice effort.
Hey, you jumped from the down.
Chairs in the way.
Hit the chair. It's only $10. Home force.
Big
One
Mark.
more. Up.
Going back. Home. Going home.
Let's go. Up. Elliot.
Around. Up.
Stop it, Alan.
In.
Nice, Alan.
Horses home.
Back out.
Mark, get on him.
Around.
Force home.
Force home.
Go.
Vertical.
Up.
Nice throw, Phil.
Nothing, no kick.
Bolster.
Stay with him. Drew up! Nice!
Chili, boys.
Right back, land side.
Up. Phil, watch it. Phil, watch it.
Ted, right on his hip, Ted.
Ted, you gotta stick that guy. Inside. Up, 3. Around. Inside.
Go, Seamer.
Around.
Fudge.
Nice march. In.
Up, Seamer!
Mark, clean it up, son. One.
Ted. Nice cut, Seamer. Ted, poke. Nice, Ted.
Yeah, Fossil, shut him down. Yeah, Will. Will, no break.
Jump down the line.
Nice throw, Fudge. Nice cut, Seamer.
Seamer.
Bud? Nope.
Work, Will. Well, shut him down.
Yeah, wrap.
This space.
Yeah, Will.
Nice cut, Phil.
There we go. Come on, Drew, get back. Yes.
Yeah, tie.
Go away, around there, Mark. Get cuts.
Mark.
Cuts.
Yeah!
All right, Seamer, get it back.
He's getting
Mark,
done.
help.
Work. Head up.
Seamer dog. JP post. Seamer, my nigga.
Told you that was your D, Seamer.
Hard cuts, Rap G.
Yeah, Mark.
Oh, foul now. What happened? I mean,
Force.
You gotta call something. Ty, come on.
Oh, Mark. Hustle in. Hustle in. Hard cut. Work it. Speed time.
Mark, you're hot.
Speed time.
Too deep, guys.
Around. In.
Come on, Ted.
Strike.
Is he trying to coach that up?
Go.
Yeah. Coach. Round.
Ted, stop poaching. Honestly, not from him.
Strike. Around.
Hard. Handler marks.
Unlucky, Seamer.
Seamer, get on your man.
Around.
Ted, on his hip.
Next cut.
On his hip, Ted. On his hip, Ted.
Go.
Go, Mark.
No big, good. Ted.
Around.
No big, in. Around, up. Inside, up. Inside, up.
Fill your high.
Inside, up.
Freaking way.
Play deep. Away.
All right, let's go, Enigma. Let's go, White.
Zoning. Fudger in. Help. Up.
Shut him down, Elliot. Shut him down.
Good holster.
Up.
Woo!
Don't
post
that.
that.
Come on, Danny. Nothing. Close in, Elliot.
That one's on the news.
All right, freaks, let's go, boys.
Alan totally just made the news with that. There's a camera guy. I'm a better camera guy.
Where the game that they're filming?
Up.
during ESPN's top 10.
Up.
Up!
Nice day, Dillard.
Up! No good. Up! Tom! Touch me!
Will, you got one back.
Do it.
Keep fighting him, bud.
Back up, left, Todd, left, Todd.
Hey, Jason, you got one of those first, huh? back, White. Get it back.
Joe, back up. Yep.
Stay on him, Ted. Stay on him.
Nice. Nice. Short, deep.
Head on shoulder.
Got one here, one behind Will.
He's good. Todd behind you, Todd behind you. That's all. Todd.
Todd, right there. Come back.
Back up, Todd, I need you.
There we go. Just a turn, by the way, for those of you following along at home. Got that one. Oh yeah, Ted.
Yeah, Ted.
Oh yeah, water snake.
Yeah, water snake.
Oh yeah, Z. Oh, spike it. Oh, spike it. Spike it. Spike it. Come on, spike it. Oh, but that's not a spike.
Down there, White!
They used it is because I had just
Not too far, not too far.
and it was floating with
Nice, Joe. Come back in, Elliot. You got Elliot.
Help deep, help deep.
Go, Joe!
Fancy points.
Keep with him, keep with him.
Hug it, fudge, hug it, fudge, hug it, fudge. Aw, boo.
There we go.
Back down, Sam. Hold it out. Back in,
I got bit on the leg.
Underneath, Jason, under. Yeah, Ty.
Todd!
Up! You got Joe.
No big.
Straight up. Again. You got Matt. 6. Nope. 7. Joe's under. So what? 2. 3.
Oh! Almost!
You got that, Joe.
Woo!
Yeah, Joe.
I'm sorry, I'm just It's hard.
He's good, so what? 2. 3. Out 4.
I know, that's why
Alan.
I've been bred since he birthed.
So 2. 3.
Up! David, under.
See Fudge. Nice.
Yeah, JP.
Come on, Drew, go, Drew!
Alan, you gotta cut in or you gotta cut out, bud.
Second time.
Yeah, Alan, nice ball!
It's not out.
Yeah, Alan.
Around. You're good. The force is home. Force is 1. You're good.
Hard out.
In the middle, Vassal. Jason under. In the middle, Vassal, in the middle. Looking under. Left! Hey, help him out. Get the next cut.
Nice cover, Vossel. Nice cover. Also covering. Yes.
Up! Broken! Coach, do it on the block!
Because they're all drunk.
Because they want
They have to stay here anyway.
camera.
No, they only live an hour and a half away. They can leave if they want. Here we go, Figs. Big point, big party! Left Dilworth, left Dilworth. You got it.
Oh, nice cut, Rapsy! Yeah!